If you're seeing the Godaddy Err Ssl protocol error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. This usually happens when your SSL certificate isn't installed correctly, your domain is pointing to the wrong server, or HTTPS hasn't been forced properly. The good news is that you can usually solve it right inside your Godaddy account and cPanel without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Godaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to My Products, then find your web hosting plan and click Manage. This takes you into the hosting dashboard where you can access the tools needed to repair the SSL issue. Next, open cPanel. cPanel is where most of the website security and domain settings are controlled, so this is where we'll verify the SSL certificate and make sure your site is configured correctly. Inside cPanel, go to Security, then click SSL or TLS Status. Here you'll see the list of domains connected to your hosting account. Select your domain from the list and then click Run AutoSSL. AutoSSL will automatically check your domain and install or renew the SSL certificate if needed. If the certificate is missing, expired, or not configured correctly, this step usually fixes it. After starting AutoSSL, wait for the installation process to complete. Depending on your hosting setup, this may take a few moments, so let it finish before moving on. Once that is done, the next step is to force HTTPS so visitors always load the secure version of your site. Go back in cPanel and open Domains. Find your domain and enable Force HTTPS Redirect. This tells the server to automatically send all traffic to the secure HTTPS version instead of the insecure HTTP version, which helps prevent SSL protocol errors and mixed content issues. Now we need to check the DNS configuration, because even with a valid SSL certificate, the error can still appear if your domain is pointing to the wrong hosting IP. In cPanel or your Godaddy domain settings, go to Domains, then DNS. Look at the A record and make sure it points to the correct hosting IP address. If you see old, incorrect, or duplicate A records, remove the wrong ones so the domain only points where it should. This is an important step because a mismatched DNS record can cause the browser to connect to the wrong server, which often triggers the ERR SSL protocol error. After you've completed these steps, give the site a little time to refresh and then test your domain again in the browser. If everything is correct, your website should now load securely with the padlock icon and without the SSL error. If the issue still appears, clear your browser cache and try again, because sometimes your browser stores an old certificate response. And that's it. You've now fixed the Godaddy ERR SSL protocol error by repairing SSL, forcing HTTPS, and checking your DNS records. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Godaddy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.